Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to introduce Amazon S3 data browser. I have already created Amazon connection. Here it is. And to access the browser, all I need to do is to click Browse Data. Click Connect. As you can see, I don't have any bucket defined. Let me try to create one for a test. And it failed because the name must be unique, and since we are using like a generic name, most likely this container exists. So what we need to do somewhere, we need to use something a little bit more sophisticated. Like that. Or we can like attach timestamp to the container or something like that. That one should work. Okay, so the container was created, bucket, sorry. And now what I can do, I can upload the data into it. Here's the file. And also download it. So as you can see, the full functionality is supported. I can delete the data. And I can delete the bucket. Another way of accessing it via actions. For example, if I double click and I select connection, you can see here we have browse data. And we can connect and it is empty as it should be. Or I can do it via bucket. As you can see, the interface is slightly different because I can actually, if I have multiple Amazon S3 connections, I can select it from the drop-down box and use it this way, so I can connect to it. This bucket does not exist. So if I click OK, nothing is selected. This is normal. Let me run it. So it will create the bucket. Now, when I go in connect, as you can see, the bucket exists. So I can just click OK, and here's our bucket. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, need any help, we can actually connect remotely and help you. Please go to our support forum and ask your questions there. Thank you. Bye.